Play It Strange was founded in 2003 and was intended to provide secondary students with a platform for creative expression through songwriting, recording and performance. Every year, Play It Strange holds its annual songwriting competition in Tāmaki Makaurau. Our reporter Marina Mane caught up with the winner of the Play It Strange Junior Maioha Award, held last night ahead of the prize-giving ceremony.
Winner of the Play It Strange Junior Maioha Award is Taniko Rangihau of Ngāi Tūhoe and Arawa.
Winning this award, I get to show all of my whānau and all of the students at my school that Te Ao Māori is the way to go. Te Ao Māori, you can make it in Te Ao Māori. So I wrote a song in Te Reo Māori and here I am at Play It Strange, and I'm in Auckland with my band. And so yeah, to me it just means that like anyone can do it.
A proud moment for her Gisborne Girls High School music teacher, Jane Egan.
The last person in my class to win the Maioha Award was Rua Whaitiri Ngāi Mahui, and of course he's in Kahau, and so like he's quite a popular figure at our school, especially with the success of 35 at the Silver Scrolls and the Music Awards. So it's kind of really nice that Taniko is following in Rua's footsteps.
Egan praises those that have paved the way for the school to ensure their legacy continues.
I think being that Noi Pewhairangi was a Māori teacher at our school, I definitely feel the weight of that on my shoulders because, you know, she's done so much for music in Aotearoa. I feel the weight of making sure that her legacy continues through our students as well. And we've got an awesome, I must acknowledge the Māori department at our school because they're amazing, and obviously without them we would not be sitting here. Well, Taniko might be, but I wouldn't be.
Rangihau performed her new waiata last night in front of her whānau called Te Rewanga o Matariki and hopes her waiata will reach other rangatahi.
So the meaning behind Te Rewanga o Matariki is to celebrate the Māori New Year, as we finally got a public holiday for Matariki, and so I wanted to acknowledge Matariki, and so I wrote a song about Matariki. I hope my music reaches like all our rangatahi and everyone, all our rangatahi across Aotearoa, to write songs, enter into competitions, and you never know, I ended up here and I never expected to be here at Play It Strange. Ko te ingoa o tō mātai rōpū ko kōpara no te tai rāwhiti.
Marina Mane, te Ao Tapatahi.